Hello? When you come into my classroom, you're going to look like this with a mask. All right? That's what it's going to be when you're in my classroom learning music. You're always going to be wearing this mask. And you'll get used to it, and it'll be just fine. In the music that you saw in the lesson, you notice these hand claps. These hand claps indicate that you're supposed to clap your hand 4 times. Let's try that together. Ready? And clap, 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 and stop. Great. We did that 4 times. The next skill you learned was looking at the claps, but also looking at the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time you're going to clap while I count to the number 4. We will do it 4 times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, stop. Excellent. Remember that number 4. It's pretty important to musicians. So now you're going to look at all of the hand claps that we just did. This is actually not anything different from what you just did. You're actually looking at each group of 4. I'm going to count. You're going to clap. If you think you can count to the number 4 while you're clapping, please try that. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and stop. Great. You just clapped 4 groups of 4 claps. Good for you. Let's turn that page. Now, as we were looking at the music, there's a lot of things on here that we see in all music. We're going to learn a little bit at a time. This thing right here, that is called a bar line. Bar line. Bar lines separate groups of music notes. That's a group of music notes. Each group is called a measure of music. This group of music notes is called a measure. It's just a bit or a part of music. That's called a measure. Here in this measure, you see the hand claps, and you're welcome to look at the hands. You also see the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're welcome to look at those numbers. But now we see music notes. Those are the black dots with the stem. So we have a solid black dot and a stem, a solid black dot and a stem, a solid black dot and a stem, and a solid black dot and a stem. And you can see you're supposed to clap each time you see one of those solid black dots with a stem. All right, I'm going to count to the number 4. You're welcome to look at the numbers and count. You're welcome to look at the hands or the notes. 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. We're going to turn this page. Wow, look right here. This is sort of the same thing as we already did. You have a bar line which separates this measure, and then there's another measure, a bar line, another measure, a bar line, and another measure. You also might notice that after every bar line, we start back on the number 1. Bar line number 1, bar line number 1. It just helps our eyes know where the groups of music or the measures are. I'm going to count to the number 4 for each of these measures. You're welcome to count or just clap. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's great. Did you clap? Did you play your drum? Maybe you played your drum. You're welcome to do either. Let's do this one more time. Pick them up. 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and stop. Wait a minute. What's that? That's 2 lines. That's a double bar line. Double bar line means that's the end of the piece of music. All right, we finished that piece of music, and now here's a bonus sneak peek into the next lesson. Wow, we have some notes right here that are different from these. Wonder how they go. Oh, wow, look, here's a word called fast, fast. So I'll bet those notes go faster than the others. Let's see how that works. Slow, slow, fast, fast, slow. So every time I see these notes that are connected right here, they're fast. Slow, slow, fast, fast, slow. Slow, slow, fast, fast, slow. So we always know those are fast. Well, look here. Here's some numbers. We already know how to count all these. 1, 2, fast, fast, 4. Oh, yeah, that's right. Those are fast. A 3 and a plus. You know with that plus sign, it gets the word and. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's how those notes go. They go faster. And we have that 3 and there. I'm wondering if you can do this whole line with me. You could play your instrument, clap, say. I'm going to be saying these numbers. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Okay, that was our sneak preview into the next lesson.